breathing into this moment of meditation, allowing this song to deliver us into that sacred space. Listening to the whisper, the sound, leaning in. Remembering that there is no right or wrong way to quiet the mind or to meditate. It's just stepping apart for a while. Simply giving our mind space. Breathing into spaciousness. Engaging a practice where we simply allow the thoughts to move through the mind like birds through the sky. So we relax the shoulders, draw the crown of the head high. Just let the body become heavy. And notice the breath. If you're holding on, let go. Let it be deep. Let it be full. As thoughts arise, you may choose to name them. The list maker, the thinker, future pacing, stepping into the past. But the breath reminds us, be here now. Come home. Lean in. With each inhale and exhale, the body remembers how to be quiet. And a still mind follows a still body. So just as we teach young ones to meditate by practicing the stillness in the body, so too can we feel the stillness of the body. Draw the mind into the sacred silence. right where we are. We move and live and have our being in a field of God. There is no place to go to get more God. It's all right here. Each breath is a yes. Breathe it in. Bring it on. We move forward from this sweet home within. By the power of this practice, may all beings have freedom from suffering and the causes of suffering. May all beings know God as love and themselves as emanations of this love. May all beings know that we are born blessed and here to be a blessing. In gratitude for the time and the life we've been given and the form we give this life. Namaste.